Okay, so I filled in my cube. I have line, color, pattern, shape, contrast, and value. And I just did kind of like little mini examples to illustrate each of those. So this would be your process shot, so I can see your cube kind of like all laid out um, before you start to make it three-dimensional. So just remember to take a picture before you start working to make it a cube. Now you can fold the flaps and your sides, just as is. But a easier technique that will make you a better fold is doing something called scoring. So you're just going to kind of start to break up the fibers a tiny bit on the areas that you want to fold. So what I'm going to do for that is I'm going to use a pair of scissors that are open. So I just use like the edge of the scissor, and you're just going to kind of run that edge right on your fold line. So I'm not cutting it, right? There, but you can feel that there's like an incision in there. And then when you fold it, it's going to be a much easier fold, right? A lot of paper artists do this just to make better folds. So I'm going to do all the flaps, that, and and then I fold them too to kind of get them started. And I'm going to do the area between the squares. All right, so that becomes a really nice crisp fold. Just finish doing that. And then as far as putting your cube together, you could either use a glue stick or you could use clear tape. I'm fine with the clear tape for this. This is like an extra credit project, so it's fine for that. Just make sure that you're using clear tape so that I can see your drawing through the tape. Okay, and then you're just going to start to kind of put this all together. This one again. Right, so fold everything so it's kind of gives you somewhere to start. And you're just going to start to lift up your sides. So you can see how it starts to come together. And then this flap is going to go in. And it almost holds by itself because of the flaps, but I would still tape or glue it. And then this is the final one. It goes in here. All right, and then you're just gonna use some tape or some glue to kind of make sure those edges attach, and then you have your Principles and Elements cube. When you take your pictures of that, you're gonna do your process shot that's flat, and then you can just show two sides of your cube, whatever views you choose. And I know that the other sides will be done because you've shown me your flat process shot.